I want you so bad, it's making me mad. I want
14 crunchy layers, creamy cheese. Malkist can't resist.
Good news for stylist haircut lovers. Another best salon has opened in Shillong city. The name of this salon is Monsoon Salon. This salon is opened by former Miss Shillong and Mrs. India Universal Mrs. Sabina Varjari. Monsoon Salon was grandly inaugurated in Shillong on 22nd July, which was inaugurated by East Khasi Hills DCRKM, Kurbah did it. It is located in the heart of the city, Keating Road, Police Bazar. Let us see what else is special about this salon.
I'm very glad to be with Sabina. I congratulate the proprietor who have started this new venture, and it's a very well-known brand across the country. And here we can, skin and hair is something all women and even men, we kind of take utmost care of. The first thing that a person's health is reflective of these two things. So I believe that having a recognized brand, and also because of their vast experience, and I've just seen the team, I feel confident that this place will really work. And as you said, that it is centrally located, and people will, it'll be very convenient for the customer too. So I wish the proprietor and family all the best, and we look forward and such ventures to come out to Shillong, because here, as you all know, people are very fashionable, and not only that, it's good to be healthy and to look good. That's it. So I wish you the best. Thank you so much.
Quite a quality to Shillong. Shillong needed this. There are very few quality salons in Shillong, so we just wanted to also contribute the best that we can. Thank you. Say whether
No, like I just said, it's fantastic. In fact, for us ladies, it's like such an opportunity for us to just come and relax, maybe after a heavy day at school, or you just want to pamper yourself. I believe this is such a beautiful and a luxurious place for us to come and just pamper ourselves and make ourselves look nice. Yeah.